a guide to sharpening your sixth sense, developing your intuition. Many people describe intuition as a gut feeling or sixth sense. It's that inexplicable internal voice that tells us something feels off, or makes us want to pursue something. Although some may view intuition as a mystical or unexplained phenomenon, intuition can help us make better decisions, form stronger connections with others, and navigate life's ups and downs with more ease. If you want to improve your intuition, you need to know what it is, how it works, and how to develop it. We'll explore some of the science behind intuition, common misconceptions about it, techniques to enhance it, and exercises to practice. As I said, it's important to understand what intuition is and how it works before we can improve it. You see, unconsciously we recognize patterns, emotions, and information that can't be rationalized or articulated. A subconscious process of processing information that happens outside of our conscious awareness. Intuition comes in several forms, including bodily intuition or feeling or response, emotional intuition or feeling, and cognitive intuition or subconscious processing. It's easier to differentiate intuitive signals from other types of information when we know the difference. The key to enhancing your intuition is learning to trust and identify it when it shows up. Don't worry if you don't know the difference, just go with your gut feeling. It's usually right. Trusting your gut feeling is one of the best ways to improve your intuition. This means listening to your intuition, even if it doesn't align with your logical thinking. Intuition can be enhanced with visualization exercises, journaling, and art or music. They help you develop stronger intuition and tap into your subconscious. Visualization exercises help you tap into your subconscious and better understand yourself and the world around you. While journaling can help you reflect on your decisions, and art or music can help you explore the depths of your emotions. Through these activities, you become more aware of your intuition and learn to trust it. Developing intuition isn't just about learning new techniques or exercises. It's also about being aware of yourself and recognizing patterns and symbols in your everyday life. When you're present in the moment and pay attention to what you feel and what you think, you'll be able to identify your intuition's messages and signals. Developing it is like learning a new language, where you become more proficient the more you practice and use it. The more you observe and engage in the world around you, the more fluent you become in the language of intuition. Playing guessing games or predicting events is one way to improve it. Since intuition is the ability to understand something instinctively without the need for conscious reasoning, by playing guessing games or predicting events, you are engaging the mind in a way that helps it to recognize patterns, think critically, and make connections quickly. This type of practice can help you to sharpen your intuition and make it more reliable. Taking notes of your dreams and trusting your instincts when making decisions can help you incorporate intuition in your daily life. Dream journaling in this way is a great way to practice and develop your intuition. Keeping a dream journal helps you to pay attention to the subconscious messages your dreams are sending you. Writing these down and reflecting on them helps draw these connections and patterns between your dreams and events that occur in your life. Intuition is similar to physical skills like running or lifting weights, as it requires regular practice. The more you use it, the stronger it will become. Additionally, you can practice meditation and mindfulness, as these can help you quiet the noise of the world and tune into your own inner wisdom. While developing intuition can be a rewarding process, you need to be aware of potential obstacles. Often we'll doubt our intuition or ignore it because of doubt and fear, while biases and limiting beliefs prevent us from recognizing it. You'll also need to balance intuition development with self-care and relaxation to avoid burnout. After all, if you don't take care of yourself, your intuition will be the first thing to go. To further understand why these obstacles are so potent, it is important to understand the neuroscience behind intuition. It is based on the unconscious patterns that we pick up from our environment and experiences, and our brains are constantly processing and synthesizing this information. If we don't properly address our doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs, they can interfere with our ability to recognize and act on our intuitions. It takes time to sharpen your intuition, but you can learn to recognize your intuitive signals more easily if you practice, persevere, and give yourself time. When you trust your gut and incorporate intuition into your decision-making process, you can start feeling more connected to yourself and your surroundings. And before you know it, you'll amaze yourself with your own psychic powers. Humanfluence out.